How to recover password on Facebook Lite app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. This video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily recover password on the Facebook Lite app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you need to do is land on this login page on your Facebook Lite app. And you don't even have to enter your email address or your phone number. You can just click on forgotten password and it will ask you to enter your mobile number or your email. So if you have mobile number connected to your account, you can just enter your mobile number. I have my email connected, so I'm just going to choose my email and then tap on continue. Now once you do that, it will find your account. So once you find your account, tap on continue like this. And you can automatically log in if it was previously logged into your device. But if you don't have this option, you can send a reset link to your email, and Facebook will send this to your email where you can reset your password.